Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to use only one basic ingredient for this amazing recipe. It turned out so delicious, it's inexpensive, this costs less than $1, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in salt, hot water, stir till well combined or until the salt has dissolved completely. After, add then flour, which is the basic ingredient, and these are all the ingredients needed. It's simple. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So stir till well combined until your hands can until you not get burned when you use your hand. After, I knead it for about 5 minutes, not more than that, from 3 to 5 minutes. I then covered it with a cling film and then with a kitchen napkin again, and I let this sit for at least from 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, go ahead and preheat your oil and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. So I divided my dough into 3 equal parts because my work surface was smaller, but if you have a big work surface, you can go ahead and roll it all at once. So I divided mine into 3 equal parts, and please make sure if you are doing it this way, roll it in the ball shape and put it in the bowl. Make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. After, bring one of them, flatten it a little bit with your hand, and then go in with the rolling pin. So you wanna roll it until it should be very thin, like less than 1 millimeter, and then sprinkle flour on top if needed. When done, use a scone cutter to cut a circle shape as demonstrated in the video. If you don't have a scone cutter, you can use a glass and then use a knife to trace it or to cut a circle shape. So that's it. It's very simple. I then used something smaller than what I used to cut the circle shape. They are all scone cutters, but this is very little and it's smaller. So if you don't have this, you can use something tiny than what you use to cut the circle shape and then take off the middle. Basically that's it. This is very simple, it's easy, and in no time it's ready. You need few ingredients for this recipe, only 3 ingredients. The basic one is the flour. For the salt and water, you already have it. Stay close to it, keep turning it. This does not take time at all, so please stay close to it and keep turning it. It took like from 3 to 5 minutes and then it was ready. So stay close to it and keep flipping it until they are ready. And just look at this, guys. This is just so delicious. It's delicious. Try it. This is only few ingredients, like only 3 ingredients, but yet it turned out delicious, guys. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And let me know how it turned out, guys. It's delicious. So you can use the stick to turn it, or you can even use your normal spatula to bring it. And that's it, guys. It's simple and easy, and trust me, your kids are going to love it. And how my son finished this in no time yesterday, I was even surprised. So try this and let me know, okay? I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, when done frying, make sure you line them on a tissue to drain the excess oil. And then what I did to take it to the next level is to sprinkle soya spice on top. So it's either salty or sweet. You can sprinkle powdered sugar on top as well. So basically that's it, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.